Welcome to the podcast series from the specialists at Penn Medicine. I'm Melanie Cole, and today we're highlighting the advanced surgical course in gynecologic oncology. Joining me today is Dr. Nawar Latif. He's a gynecologic oncologist and surgical director of the uterine transplant program at Penn Medicine. Dr. Latif, thank you so much for joining us today. Tell us a little bit about the field of gynecologic oncology, why it's so challenging, and what are some of the main concerns?
Thank you, Melanie, for having me. Gynecologic oncology is a very unique specialty. We do advanced and complex surgeries for the gynecologic cancer, but also we take care of systemic therapy, clinical trial, and chemotherapy options for patients.
Well, thank you for that. So, how does training in advanced surgical anatomy address some of the challenging interventions? Because it really is a very fascinating field.
Training in gynecologic oncology is a 3-year fellowship. One of them is research, so we end with 2 years of surgical and clinical training. We take care of women with gynecologic cancer, and that requires different variety of surgeries and surgical modalities. So I think the need for further training and to improve skills in those surgeries is very vital for our community.
Dr. Latif, one aspect that makes Penn's approach so unique is the emphasis on individualized mentorship and surgical coaching. So, even for experienced gynecologic oncologists, why is this ongoing mentorship so important?
Our course, the way we designed it is to make sure that it will cover the high yield procedures. That's usually uncommon and infrequent in common practice. We put heavy emphasis on making sure that those who join us in the course will have good training and good feedback for their skills and tips and techniques how to do these uncommon procedure but like complex procedure too. And for those who are join us in the course, we offer specific mentorship post course for the few months after. So if they end doing these procedures, if they have questions or they have done the procedure but like they want to have a video of those procedure reviewed and critiqued, we help and support them with that.
That's definitely so supportive. Now, Dr. Latif, technical excellence is obviously essential in gynecologic oncology surgery, but you've also spoken about the importance of patient centered care, which we're learning more and more is really at the heart of when we are dealing with patients. So, how do these two things, the excellence in surgical care and that patient centered care, come together when dealing with these complex patients?
At the end of the day, the goal here is to provide good quality care and patient-centered care for our patients. And I think when we are able to support gynecologic oncology fellows and providers in the community with further training in these high-yield complex surgeries, that will ultimately give gynecologic oncologists in the community whatever their patient need in terms of surgical care to achieve the goals and the quality of care and the quality of life that the patient is looking for.
Well, that certainly is true. And better outcomes and quality of life are really what we're going for here. So, Dr. Latif, really, this is such an exciting time in your field. What excites you the most in helping to train the next generation of gynecologic oncologist surgeons?
I think what excite me and excite all of us here at Penn is like to get our trainees to the point they are very independent and able to perform all these complex and radical surgeries. What excites us is that also to see that we collaborate with gynecologic oncology in the community and able to support them for better patient care. I think what's exciting is also that we are not just doing a surgical course for simple procedures, but is definitely a need that is unmet. And we are happy here at Penn to be able to support that and make sure that patient getting care here at Penn is getting the best appropriate care, but also if patient getting care elsewhere can get this similar care in the community.
Thank you so much, Dr. Latif, for joining us today and sharing your incredible expertise for incoming gynecologic oncology surgeons. Thank you again for telling us about the course. And to refer your patient to Dr. Latif at Penn Medicine, please call our 24/7 provider only line at 877-937-PENN. Or you can submit your referral via our secure online referral form by visiting our website at pennmedicine.org/refer. That concludes this episode from the specialists at Penn Medicine. I'm Melanie Cole.